So just a quick inventory of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. I picked this up at our local camera store, B&C Camera, and paid $725.03. That would be $669 for the price of the creator combo, plus $56.03 in taxes. So this is what you get in the box. You're going to get a carry case for everything, a protective cover for the camera gimbal unit, the camera gimbal unit itself, a mini tripod, a battery handle, a regular handle with a 1/4 inch mount at the bottom, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, the wrist strap, the wind muff for the DJI wireless mic 2, the magnet that you can use to attach your DJI wireless mic 2 to the inside of your shirt, and also the wide angle lens adapter.